Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter. Hey guys, welcome back in my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to convert an image into cartoon just in one click. So it's gonna much simpler than before. Let's get started. First of all, go to Play Store and here search for Tone app. T-O-O-N Tone A-P-P. Install this application in your mobile phone. Okay, it will take some time. Once you installed this application, then open it. Okay, tap on continue. Actually, it's a paid application, but you can use 3 days free trial. Okay, go to back. And here choose a photo from gallery. You should use a better resolution image as it must detect your face. Now tap on OK. And as you can see, it's converted successfully. You can also change its background color. There are a lot of options bottom of it for customization. Okay, once you set its background color, then click on apply. And here tap on save to save it in gallery. Here you can use picsart or any other photo editing application to remove this watermark. Hope this video gonna be very helpful for you. To get more of this type of videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.